to tie a basic step of Gele step by step. It's called step by step Gele. Okay, for that project, we'll be needing a dummy, a wrapper, and a head tie. It can be a shoke, it can be sego, it can be whatsoever. Head tie, even material, ankara, whatsoever. So for that, and also we'll be needing our office pin. We'll be needing our office pin. Okay. Yeah. You can get any type of office pin. Just go to the tailoring shop, tell them to give you office pin. This pin, that's what we'll use to secure it. Okay. So a quick one. When you get the dummy, you fold your wrapper into the shape that you want, into the size, depend on the size of the head. A big skull, you fold the wrapper to have volume. If it's a smaller skull, you make it to be a lighter weight wrapper. Okay, so when you place your wrapper like so, covering the face and the ear this way, you now bring your, I don't want this video to be long, that's why it's as if I'm rushing. Okay, you now get your gele. You see your gele? This is a four step gele. Are you seeing? Four step gele. So now you make, you give a little gap that you use for tying at the back. You get somewhere here, you fold. By the time you fold in like 1 inch inward, you secure it with a pin so that that part won't come fraying. It will not pop apart when you're wearing it or the customer is wearing it. Then you pin. You see it. You get when you get your office pin, you put one in, you bring it out, put it in again, and you pass it out. In this way, it will secure it. So when you've secured it like this, you start making your pleats. Pleats is like this. You fold, bring it down. Make sure you're covering the pin. Are you seeing? You make another pleat, just like this. You keep going. So let's go. You see the ones I've done already. You arrange it this way. You arrange it. Is this so? You arrange it. You arrange it. Are you seeing what I'm doing? You arrange it. By the time you're done arranging, you turn your DM facing you like this. Put it in between your leg like this. Then you arrange those pleats that you've pleated already. You arrange the pleats this way too. By the time you're done arranging, you tie it like you secure it. Just watch what I'm doing. See what I'm doing. Okay. By the time you're done, you tighten it, make it to be tight. You would now come and arrange it. You arrange it, make sure it's neat. Okay. And ensure it's covering it's at least on the dummy ear or it's covering the dummy ear. You arrange your pleats. Okay. Remember, we're making the basic step of Gele, which is the step by step Gele by flogging. When you arrange, you get to this point, make sure you open it like this. After opening it, you you make a pleat, you fold in another like 1 inch, you make a pin to secure it with this one, the base or the foundation. You make sure any of the pleat is not small. You pleat again, you pleat again. I mean, you pin down again. You get until never you try that, it's risky. Find that up. You keep taking your pleats like this. Keep taking the pleats to be neat like this. Just like this. Everything. So when you get to some certain extent, you pin it down again. You pin it down again. Then you continue. After pinning down, you continue. You continue pleating, arranging your pleats till the end of the gele. Remember, as you go, you pin down. As you go, you pin down. Make sure you secure it with your pins very well so that it will not scatter. Now we are done. Like, see the way I brought it. I used the other one to pass on it. So now we look for where one place. Like, you just pin it around this other base, okay? Anywhere, just secure it. So far as you're touching the small part of this one is touching this. That even if it's just a pinch like this that you used to pin, it will hold it to be okay. So now the remaining now, we'll look for a way to design it. Maybe just make a rose. Can you see? Mhm. Can you see? Can you see? So when we are done, we'll remove it from the see the front view. We remove it from. Can you see? We are done. So now we remove it like this. We are done like this. We just arrange it. Yeah. Guys, drop a comment in the comment section. If you gain value, just say thank you, like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Okay.